Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa. Look what I have. These are my Kiwi Lane kits that I haven't opened yet. I know I didn't do January and I couldn't find January, and I know I haven't opened January yet, so I'm not sure where it went, but I do have February's here, March, April, and May. Oh my goodness, I am so sorry guys. I'm so behind the power curve here when it comes to scrapbooking my stuff for Kiwi. So let us work today on the February kit. How's that? Okay, so let's open our kit. Didn't even see this yet, so seeing this first time with you guys. Oh, how cute. I like this. Actually has some letters. Oh wow, I am loving this that it came with that. So this is love notes, and let's see what we have in here. First thing I've seen. And then we have the template. So how cute. It's the a la carte curly. How cute is that? Can you see it? Can you see that? That is so cute. The next one they have here is the Love Struck, the arrow with the heart. Cute. And then they have the a la carte mailbox. And then these are the cards. Then we have the 4x4s. And the 4x6s. And that's it for that. I like that it's the base is craft paper. I like that. Then we have the papers here. I'll be right back. Let me just think about the layout that I'm going to create for you guys. Hey guys, so where I normally would show you what I'm going to do on the layout, I think this time I'm just going to show you and surprise you with the layout that I'm going to make this time. I'm going to use the large bracket because I'm going to also use this a la carte curly because it kind of begs for me to use the large bracket, and I will also use Love Struck. And of the cards, I will use this card here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I love you all day, every day. And then I will use, oh my gosh, 5 papers. I'm going to use this as the base, and I'm going to use this for the bracket. This is for the a la carte curly, and also for the arrow, the Love Struck arrow. And then I'm going to use this for layering. So without further ado, I'm gonna go work on this, and I am going to speed this up, but you will see what I'm gonna do. We're actually gonna have a picture with this, so yay. So let me just put this on the side and start working. Here I am tracing the large bracket, and if you notice, I left an inch down at the bottom of the template. And then we're working now on the curly. And speaking of curly, you have to be careful when you trace it because, as you've seen, it kind of buckles on you, so you really have to hold it down. You'll need 2 hands, obviously, one to trace and one to hold it down. And then now I am tracing the Love Struck, the arrow. So I don't know why I'm having such a hard time with this thing. Cutting time now. I had to retrace the large bracket because the paper was a little too dark. So now I'm cutting it out, and as usual, trying to move the paper and you know, not the scissors. So you know how that goes with us scrapbookers, cutting it really, trying to cut it and follow the curves of the bracket. And here I am now cutting the love struck arrow. I'm trying to cut out all the straight lines first before I cut the curvy heart shape point of the arrow. And I had to maneuver the paper around here and try to cut around the shape here first, and then later, and I don't think I showed you here, and I had to edit it out. You know, I fine-tuned the heart by cutting it closer. Here I am now cutting the curly, which is on the other side of this paper. Again, trying to move the paper instead of the scissors so that all those curls or curvy lines will not have those sharp edges as you cut them. So you see me cut it through so that it'll be easier for me to manage. So finishing up on cutting the curly, almost there. And there you go. Here I am trying to layer the papers, trying to figure out the positioning of the picture and also the 3x4 card. Trying to see how much space I'll have on the top and the bottom. So this is easier to do since I'm only layering and they're all straight cuts. So I'm just cutting down the gray paper, the XOXO paper. This is cut at 5 by 10 and a half, and this one is cut at 5.5 by 11. Okay guys, it's now time to ink our edges. So I'm going to start with inking the edge for this. And the reason why we ink the edges is mostly to hide the pencil marks so we don't have to erase them. But sometimes, like what I did here on this arrow, I really got the pencil mark down to the actual almost, you know, you can't hide that, so you have to just erase that. And I found this good eraser from Walmart, actually, of all places. I was really surprised, but I used to use this in my office, you know, when you're writing and stuff like that. And so this is the eraser. It's by Pentel. It's Click Eraser. And I really like it. It's a soft eraser, and it really does a good job. See how good of a job it does. It's a soft eraser, and that's one thing I like about it. So yeah, this is what I like about this eraser. It's just, see how it was easy for me to erase the pencil marks off the arrow. So that's why I have that. I got that. So continuing on to inking. So after we ink the edges, here I am trying to lay the elements onto the page and figure out where I want each of the element. And so far, this is how I envision this in my head. having a picture on the top of the XOXO gray paper. And here I'm trying to figure out where I want to put the love struck arrow. You know what? I'm not going to use this. I think I like it as is, like this, simple. So this is how I'm going to tack this down. It's changed my mind on that. And I think it's going to be okay with this, like this. So yeah, this is my layout. Very simple, easy. There you go. And then all I have to do now is stack this down. For this element, because it is so dainty, if you will, I'm going to go ahead and use wet glue for this. So I am trying to figure out here, changing my mind here, where I'm going to put this card. And notice that there was some space on the right, and try to balance it out here. See, I change my mind as I work on my layouts. Always. I always do this. If you want to save paper here, you can actually just cut this paper that's inside, the one that's going to get covered with the with this. Yeah, I think I'm good with that. Still trying, guys. No, I think I like it better without this. Okay, guys, this is basically my title and basically my journaling. This is going to go in a Project Life style album. If you want to journal, you can journal. You have a lot of plenty of journaling space down here. And yeah, this is my layout, guys. And so I hope you enjoyed watching me create this layout. And yeah, that's it. And thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Thank you again, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.